Hello guys, welcome to my channel Web Code. I'll be taking you through web development. This channel is to help beginners improve and also help those that are into coding also improve in their coding skills. To start with, I'll just start with the basics. What are websites, web pages, who's a web developer, and how to create a normal website layout. Now let's go straight into business. First, what's a website? A website is a collection of web pages under a single domain on a browser. Websites are written in HTML. A web page is a single document written in HTML and can be viewed on any browser. A web developer is a programmer who develops and builds websites. Websites are generally written with HTML. To begin web programming or web development, you need to have a code editor on your Android device or your laptop. I am using my Android device and I already have my code editor installed. After installing and opening your code editor, you create a folder. You can name it anything, but mine, I'm going to name it web code. WAB, then code. After creating the folder, you ensure you save it. And then you can create a new file under the folder, like name it index.html. You can name it anything, but just know that it must end with .html because you are writing in HTML language. Like mine, for instance, I named it webcode.html. When you install it, you should have something like this, but since we are just beginning, we need to start from the scratch. Let's clear all this and we can then rewrite the code again. When you are done creating the file, the first thing you should type in is the doctype HTML tag. This tag tells the browser which version we are using, or make us know the version of browser we are using. Though it's not really compulsory you add the doctype HTML tag, but it's really important to add it. Though it's not compulsory, it's optional, but I think it's important. Then after that, to start with any website development, you first need to add the HTML tag, which I'm just going to do right here. Here I've added the HTML tag. Before I forget, let me just show you how to close the tag. Closing the tag is just the same way as opening the tag, just that we'll put a forward slash before typing what we used to open the tag, just like as what I'm doing. So forward slash then HTML. I'm done closing the HTML tag. This is how it will look on the browser. It's blank because I haven't added anything yet. So let me clear the closing tag of the HTML. The closing tag of the HTML should be the last thing on a website because it ends everything. Let's take a step further. Then after the HTML tag, you add the head tag. The head tag contains the information such as title and so on. So you create a title tag, which I've just done. So then let me name my title. I think I should name it web code. After the web code, you close the title tag, just like this as I'm doing. So close title tag. The code, I don't want the code to kind of look rough, so I'm going to bring the closing title tag down. Yeah, this is the title there, up there, web code. Then I close my head tag. This is what it's going to look like when we run the code. You can see the title here at the top left corner of the screen. We have the title, which we saved as web code. Then our page is still blank, so we need to add something to the body. So let's create a body tag. Then we close the tag. after closing the body tag, you can now edit in what you want to be on the body. Like here, I'm going to put web code is the best. After that, let's look at how it look like. This web code is the best here. You can see it up there. So I'm going to go down and then close my HTML tag /HTML. Then we are done. That is the basic structure of a website. Let's run it. We have it there. Web code is the best. So now I'm going to try to run it on my browser. I'm going to open in browser. So I think I'm going to open it on Opera. Yeah, Opera Mini. Web code is the best. We have it here. Web code is the best, but it's kind of too small. So let me try open it on another browser. Now I think I'm gonna use Chrome. So we still have it there. Web code is the best. Well done. We have successfully created the basic